Hello fellow vibe coders out there. In this video we're gonna explore the best way, probably right now, to install skills on your system. And it doesn't matter what kind of code editor or model you use, so if you use Codex, if you use Claude Code or Gemini, because all those models are now supporting skills, right? So the question is, where do we find skills and how to install them in the best way? And for that, Vercel has created this new skills.sh ecosystem, which is a great source of inspiration, what kind of skills are available, and also to install them. Because you can see if you go to their website and if you go directly to the skill.sh here directory, if I click on this, we'll find then various skills which are available in here. Like you see, for instance, front-end design, which is directly coming from Anthropic, but there's also a skill creator, also from Anthropic, but also from Vercel directly or from other kinds of vendors, so to speak. And if you're interested in one of those, for instance SEO audit as an example, you can click on it and then you see here a command, an npx command. So that means you need to install Node on your system, and then you can just copy this command and then you can go to the Visual Studio Code, for instance, editor or the editor of your choice, and all you need to do is then you paste it in the command line like that, or you run it in terminal and you press enter right there like this, and then basically you can here decide what you want to do. So for instance, you can specify what code editor you want to install it. So you can see these are the various options as of right now. Even OpenClaw is available in here, but also of course Codex and Claude Code. And after selecting this, you can then just press enter here. Then you can decide whether you want to install it on the project level. So for this specific project, the current folder, or on a global level. And you press enter. And then you can also choose the install method, and symlink here, which is recommended. So you have a single source of truth. You can press enter here. And then you can just press yes and install it, and you're basically done. And that just means that now inside this specific folder, in this case in my project, I now have here also the skills. So if I go to .codex here and I take a look at the skill here, you see that I have here basically my SEO audit skill installed with the skill.md file. And that's it, how simple it actually is. So there's a great library out there and available skills, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel, and you can use this to install it really, really easy on your system for all the code editors you use. So not only one, but really decide which code editor should have which skill, and also if you want to have it on a local, so only for the project level, or on a global level. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.